Hi guys, welcome to Code Patcher, and in this video I will discuss Laravel Breezer starter kit today. So Laravel Breezer is used as a starter kit in Laravel, and it provides basic authentication authorization system as a pre-installed. When you install this package, then you will get automatically related controller views and routes to the authentication system. Like you will get the login form, registration form. Okay, so let's start it with the Laravel documentation. What it says. So it says that from the installation point of view, uh, after the installation of the basic Laravel instance, you will have to run this command: composer require Laravel slash breeze dash dash dev. Okay, so it will avail the package for your Laravel instance. Then you need to do the php artisan breeze install command. Okay, after that npm install, npm run dev, and php artisan migrate. So let's do step by step, and we will dig into this further in code later. Okay, so I have pre-installed installation of Laravel. Okay, so after this step, let's do this: copy and paste it here and run. So it will take a while to install, and after that let's do the second step here, and it says then please execute the npm install and npm run dev command to build your assets. So let's run it also. Okay, so command has installed the Laravel breeze successfully, and it will generate the several thing in your controller views and routes. Okay, so let's check it out one by one. So first of all, let's examine the routes. So we can see in auth.php, let's cross it out for now. So you can see here the register path, the login path, the forget password, the reset password, the verify email. Okay, the email verification notification, password reset, logout, all the path have been created, and uh, you can say it's a basic authentication package you have installed it. Okay, and after the installation one point I want to also make that it comes with the Tailwind CSS. Okay, the Tailwind CSS is the CSS framework like a Bootstrap. So Tailwind is more or less lightweighted than Bootstrap, and you can customize it further. If you want to switch on to the Bootstrap, then you can also you have to override these templates. Okay, that provides the login and registration form, and you have to also install the Bootstrap in your Laravel. Okay, so let's examine the registration. So first of all, let's check it out what has happened on the front end after this installation. So first of all, you need to run the server. Okay, and now go to the browser, 127.800. Okay, so it is the Laravel welcome page. Okay, and now you can see at the right top there are the links login and register. Okay, so through the login you can log in the registered user. Okay, and using the register link you can register the new user. So it is all the template comes using the tail and CSS. We will go through the registration process, what has happened in the code, what is happening in the code, okay, and we can easily customize this these code also. So after the installation of Laravel Breeze, you can customize in your own way, like you can add your custom field in the registration and in the login, or change little bit in the saving process, like if you want to store the password encryption system, etc. So let's check it out. First, the first root, register. Okay, so in the register root, it uses the registered user controller and acts and create. Okay, so let's move to the auth folder, and here we can find registered user controller. Okay, okay, so when we click on the create on the register link, then we get this form. Okay, and it hits the create function. The create function calls the auth register template. So let's move on to the resource folder, where we store our views, where it is, yes, here, views, auth and register.blade. Okay, so this is the template, and if you are going to use the bootstrap, then you can obviously override this template, okay, and use your classes, your CSS in it. Okay, so after the submitting the register, it will hit the store function of this class, is this controller. You can see it is a post. Okay, and you can and you find that there are no fancy code here. It is a traditional code here. Okay, so you can easily customize it. And now if you go to the login process, it hits the authentication session controller. So in auth folder, here in under the HTTP controllers, we can find the authentication session controller. Okay, and after press the login button, it will hit the store function. So the store function has the login request, a custom request. So I have made the video on this also, so you can check it out in my Laravel validation video, okay, on my channel, and you can check out how to create the custom request in your Laravel application. So it must be exist in the request folder under the HTTP, here login request. Okay, so if you extend the form request, you can create your own custom request, and you can customize the way of in the incoming request, how you can validate and other thing. So it is basically it has basically created a custom request and do the code here, just using the traditional auth attempt for the login and validates and throw the validation exception. Okay, so you can easily customize it also. So there are no fancy thing, it is a very lightweighted, and for the beginner it is a very good thing to start. So that's it for today, and you can use it for your first project and overcome all the complication for the authentication, to build a authentication system. Okay, so if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and comment. Okay, thanks for watching it.